So students, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So today we will discuss about isomerism. So iso means same, mer means part, same part or equipart, it is called as isomerism. Then what is isomerism? So when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula, when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in their physical and chemical properties are called as isomers, and the phenomena is called as isomerism. ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆದರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ಗಳೇನದಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಐಸೋಮರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಐಸೋಮೆರಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆನ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್, when two or more compounds having same molecular formula, when two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their physical and chemical properties, differ in their physical and chemical properties are called isomers, and the phenomena is called isomerism. So here it is called as isomerism. Then here in isomerism, look here students, here isomerism, it is mainly classified into two types. Isomerism is mainly classified into two types. There are two types of isomerism. So look here how the isomerism is classified. Look here, isomerism, there are two types. One is structural isomerism and another one is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. So look here, in structural isomerism it is further classified into five types: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, and then here metamerism, and another one is tautomerism. Look here students, here it is chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism and tautomerism. So five types, and here this tautomerism is not for your syllabus, then also I will explain. So here you have to study for chain isomerism, position, functional isomerism and metamerism. And here this stereoisomerism has two types. One is geometrical isomerism, and another one is optical isomerism. Look here students, it is the complete classification of isomerism. Isomerism is mainly classified into two types: structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. And structural isomerism, chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and metamerism, and another one is tautomerism. And then stereoisomerism mainly classified into two types: one is geometrical isomerism, another one is optical isomerism. So here it is the general classification. And now let us see one by one. Here first let us see what is structural isomerism, what is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism are those when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in their structure, ರಚನಾತ್ಮಕ ರಚನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in the structural formula are called structural isomers. And again structural isomers classified into five types, and among these five types, four types are for your syllabus. Look here. Then here, first one. What is structural isomerism? What is structural isomerism? When two or more compounds having the same structural formula, so means that is here. Listen carefully. Structural, rachane. When two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in their structure, ರಚನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ molecular formula but differ in the structural formula ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, are called structural isomers, and the phenomena is called as a structural isomerism. When two or more compounds having same molecular formula but having different structural formula are called structural isomers. And the phenomena is called structural isomerism. Look here students, when two or more compounds having same molecular formula but having different structural formula are called structural isomers, and the phenomena is called as a structural isomerism. Then what is a stereo? A stereo means occupying space, and here structure means rachane. Here the sentence itself, the word itself indicates structural isomerism, having different structural formula. And then second one, what is the stereo? Stereoisomerism, stereo, occupying the space. So here compounds having two, or that is you may say two or more compounds having same molecular formula, and same structural formula. Look here, this sentence. The compounds have two or more compounds having the same molecular formula and same structural formula. ರಚನೆಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, molecular formula ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ molecular formula and same structural formula. But differ in the spatial arrangement of atoms or group of atoms. Spatial, SPATIAL. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಟಿಯಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್. ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನೇನು ಜೋಡಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ molecular formula, ಸೇಮ್ structural formula, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಟಿಯಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ in the organic compound or in the molecule. So having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but differ in the spatial spatial arrangement of atoms or group of atoms in the organic compound. In the organic compound is called stereoisomer, and the phenomena is called stereoisomerism, and the phenomena look here students, here having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but differ in the spatial arrangement of atoms, spatial arrangement of atoms or group of atoms in the organic compound. In the organic compound it is called as stereoisomerism. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಐಸೋಮೆರಿಸಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ 5 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಅದರ 4 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, look here, here number 1. So structural isomers are further classified into 5 types, and among 5 types we have to study again 2 types, again 4 types. Look here, structural isomerism is mainly classified as follows. First one, look here students, what is the chain isomerism? Chain means carbon chain. So when 2 or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in the carbon chain or differ in the carbon skeleton, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಚೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಂಬರ್ 1 CH3 CH2 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 CH3 ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಚೈನ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಉದ್ದದ ಎನ್ ಪೆಂಟೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಎನ್ 1 2 3 4 5 ಎನ್ ಪೆಂಟೇನ್. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ CH3 CH3 CH2 CH3. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 2 3 4. ಸೊ ಇದರದ್ದು ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದ C5H 3 2 5 2 7 7 2 9 10 11 12 C5 ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ CH3 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 CH3. Look here students, compounds 1 2 3, these 3 organic compounds having a same molecular formula, that is C5H12. count here, carbon 1 2 3 4 5 and 3 6 8 9 10 11 12. So here these 3 are having same molecular formula but having different in the carbon chain. Means 2 or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the carbon chain are called as chain isomerism. So here the carbon chain is branched and here it is further branched. So therefore it is called as a chain isomerism, and here it is n-pentane, it is called as isopentane, it is called as neopentane. Look here students, it is the difference here. Means how you will write definition? When two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in the carbon chain. Very simple. So when two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the carbon chain or skeleton, carbon skeleton. Look here students, two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the carbon chain are called chain isomers, and the phenomena is called chain isomerism. And the phenomena is called chain isomerism. It is the example here. You may also write IUPAC name for this. It is N-pentane, and here it is 2-methyl 1 2 3 4 butane, and here it is 1 2 3, it is 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Look here students, means these are having different chemical and physical properties also. It is an example here. Now let us see another one, that is the second one, position isomerism. So what is position isomerism? Second one. Position isomerism. So look here, when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in the position of the substituent group or functional group. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಚೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನದಲ್ಲ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಐಸೋಮರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವೆನ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ molecular formula ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, molecular formula ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಮೊದಲು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ molecular formula. ಯು ಮೇ ರೈಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್, ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಒಂದೇದು ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಪೆನಾಲ್, ಯು ಮೇ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೆನಾಲ್. ಪ್ರೊಪೆನಾಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿಲಿ, CH3, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Look here, count here, 1 2 3, C3, H, 3 2 5 6 7 8, H8O. Molecular formula is C3H8O. Then here it is 1 propanol or propane 1-ol. And I will write second example, CH3, CHOH, CH3. Look here, it is a propane 2-ol. Look here students, molecular formula is same, both are having same molecular formula but differ in their position of the substituent group. Substituent group of the position change there. So you may write here another example, second example. So here I will write this butene. You may write butene. So here C4, molecular formula butene. So I will write here number 1, it is C4H8. Butene is a C4H8. I will write here CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. Count here, C4, 1 2 3 4, 8 3 5 6 7 8, and it is double bond. It is called as 1 ENE. And I will write second example. So CH3 CH double bond CH CH3 but 2 ENE, but 2 ENE, having the same molecular formula but differ in the position of substituent group. Here double bond is at the position, first position, and here double bond is at the second position. Here alcohol is at the OH group is at the first carbon atom, and here OH is at the second carbon atom. Change in the position of substituent group or functional group, or you may write any other example also like this. I will show here the third example. So CH3 CH2 CH2Cl, that is 1 chloropropane, and you write CH3 CHCl CH3 2 chloropropane. Look here students, you may write many examples. So this is called as position isomerism. So when two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the position of substituent group or functional group. Functional group is called position isomerism or position isomers, and the phenomena is called position isomerism. Look here, it is about position isomerism, and here I have given many examples for this position isomerism. Then next one, functional isomerism. So look here, I have given substituent group and even functional group also. When two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in the position of substituent group the position different group or functional group differ in the position of the substituent group. Then functional isomerism, third one. Functional isomerism. Look here students, when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but having different functional group, so the functional group must be different. It is called as functional isomer, and the phenomena is called as a functional isomerism. So when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differing in the but having different functional group. Is called functional isomer, and the phenomena is called functional isomerism. Look here students, when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula must be same but different, having different functional group is called functional isomers. And here I will give example. First example, molecular formula must be same. I will give the first example, that is C3H6O. C3H6O. I will write the compound. It is the molecular formula of aldehyde, which represents aldehyde and ketone. C3H6. Look here. I will write first here. CH3, CH2, CHO. Look here students, count this. Carbon 1, 2, 3 carbon. Hydrogen 3, 5, 6 O. It is called as a propanol. Here the functional group is a aldehyde. And I will write same example. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Look here. Carbon 1, 2, 3. Hydrogen 3, 3, 6, O1, so O1. It is called as a propane 2,1, or its common name is acetone. Propane 2,1, or its common name is acetone. Its common name is propanaldehyde. Look here. Having the same molecular formula but different functional group. Here aldehyde is the functional group and here ketone is the functional group. The functional group are different but the molecular formula is same. Enumerate another example. So another simple example, ethanol. Molecular formula, it is CH3, CH2, OH, or enumerate direct C2H5, OH. Molecular formula, ethanol. Enumerate complete condenser formula, C2H6O, or it is also written as C2H6O. Look here students, it is the molecular formula, C2H6O. And here I will write an example. Number 1, here it represents ethyl alcohol, and another one this ether. It represents ethanol and ethers. Look here, first one. Here carbon 1, 2. So hydrogen 3, 2, 5, 6 and O. It is called as ethanol or ethyl alcohol. I will write second example, CH3, OCH3. Look here, carbon 1, 2 and H6O. So it is called as dimethyl ether, or it is also called as methoxymethane. It is IUPAC name. Look here students, it is about functional isomerism. When two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ, having different functional group is called functional isomer, and the phenomena is called as functional isomerism. So here it is an example. Then next one, metamerism. Look here students, metamerism. Fourth one, metamerism. And here the unequal distribution takes place on either side of the functional group. When two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but having different alkyl groups on either side of the functional group. Functional group ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ alkyl groupಗಳು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಿರ್ತಿರೋ compounds having the same molecular formula when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in the alkyl group. Students, remember, differ in the alkyl group or having different groups or differ in the distribution of alkyl group on either side of the functional group, or you may write that is the alkyl chain or distribution of alkyl group on either side of the functional group. Functional group the ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, so functional group in the organic compound is called metamerism. Look here students, I will write here. Number 1, molecular formula. Here you may write any other compound, larger compound, that is C4H10O. C4H10O. Here it is a molecular formula. So unequal distribution I will show. Look here, C2H5O, C2H5. So look here, carbon 2, 4, hydrogen 5, 10 and O. It is called as a diethyl ether, or it is also called as ethoxyethane. Second example I will write, CH3O, CH2, CH3. Look here students, count the carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 3 to 5, 7, 10 and O. It is called as, here it is propyl and it is methyl, MNOP. So first which comes, it is methyl propyl ether, or it is also called as methoxy propane. Look here, and you may write another example also here, CH3O, CH3. Look here students, count, 3, 6, 9, 10, it is again. So what is the name of this compound? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 2-methoxy propane. It is IUPAC name, 2-methoxy propane, or you may write or isopropyl methyl. It is isopropyl methyl ether. So it is called as a metamerism. So when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in the distribution of alkyl group on either side of the functional group, it is the functional group is ether. Unequal distribution, look here, C2H5, and here unequal distribution, see here unequal, and here it is not equal, So this is called as differ in the distribution of alkyl group. Alkyl group is C2H5, and here carbon 3, and here also carbon 3, but the position is changed. So this is called as metamerism. Up to this you have to study student. And tautomerism is extra from the view of the CET or NEET. Let us see that one, last one, tautomerism. Look here. Tautomerism. So they may ask in CET or NEET. That's why I am teaching this. Tautomerism. It is a special type of functional isomer. Look here. It is a special type of a functional isomer which exists here. It exists in two forms which exist simultaneously in two forms, or dynamic equilibrium, simultaneously in dynamic equilibrium. In a dynamic equilibrium. This is dynamic equilibrium with each other. So that is two forms. Dynamic equilibrium with each other is called with each other, or you may write interconvertible. Interconvertible ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆಂತರಿಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Interconvertible. So is called tautomerism. Look here students, it is a special type of functional isomerism which exists simultaneously in a dynamic equilibrium with each other. So functional isomerism ಇರ್ತದೆ, functional group ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಂ ಸ್ಟೇಟಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎನಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೀಟೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲಿ. ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So I will take first example, vinyl alcohol, a simple example. Vinyl alcohol and acetaldehyde. First one, the simple example. So that is vinyl alcohol and acetaldehyde. Both are tautomers. I will write first vinyl alcohol. Nodi, CH2 double bond CH OH. This is vinyl alcohol. And then how it is dynamic equilibrium with other, that is form. This dynamic equilibrium ಇನ್ನೊಂದು form ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So I will show here. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. I will show here. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. I will write here. Look here. CH double bond CHOH. ಇದು compound CH2 double bond and CHOH. Look here, equilibrium ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ look here, this hydrogen shifts here and this bond also shifts here. This bond, ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ H and then it is single bond. This bond shift agite alli H, it is double bond O, it is called as acetaldehyde. Heng barithíve idanna CH3 CHO. Look here ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 1 2 ಅದ 3 4 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ molecular formula but differ in the form. So simultaneously both are dynamic equilibrium. Aldehyde ada and alcohol ada. Functional isomer. It is a special type of functional isomerism. ಇದು ಒಂದು functional isomerism ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ alcohol enol form ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ aldehyde form ಅದ. It is an example. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. I will show another example. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೋನ್. I will write here. Second example. Acetyl acetone. Acetyl acetone ಏನದಲ್ಲ, it exists in keto form. It exists in keto form. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಂ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಿಳಿತು, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೀಟೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಇದು ಕೀಟೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು ಎನಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, CH3 C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೋನ್, ಎಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಬರೆದಿನ, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟೋನ್. ನೋಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೋನ್, ಎಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೋನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಇದು ಬದಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ಬದಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೊಂದು H ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೊಂದು H ಇಲ್ಲಿ OH ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ OH ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ CH3 COH ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ CH ಇಲ್ಲಿದು. ಸೊ 1 2 3 ಹಿಯರ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು H ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ CH3 COH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ CH C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡು CH3, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಎನಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, CH3 COH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O CH3. ಸೊ ಎಣಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ, 1 2 3 4 5 ಅದ, 1 2 3 4 5, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 3 2 5 3 8, 3 4 5 6 7 8. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೀಟೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೋನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದರ IUPAC ನೇಮ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 2 3 4 5 ಪೆಂಟೀನ್, ಪೆಂಟ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ 1 2 3 3 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಪೆಂಟ್ 3En, ಪೆಂಟ್ 3En, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ONE ಅದ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 2 3 4 ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ, ಪೆಂಟ್ 3En 2 ONE, it is the name. So student, here I have completed this isomerism, and tomorrow we will discuss the next, that is fundamental concept in organic compounds and reaction mechanisms. So thank you.